changing the oil pump to a high performance, high flow pump. I think I might have used too much break-in lubricant. That's okay. Better safe than sorry. Anywho, on the LS engine, if you're doing a double roller, make sure you use your spacers, or you'll fucking grind it up. Make sure you use your spacers. So, clean it up a little bit too.
Obviously a foul, but mechanically there are plays that are difficult for a referee to get.
It's crazy.
He's looking for the right tackle in the left defensive end, and this is not
LS swap oil pan.
At least as of this year. Foreshadowing, Joe? Foreshadowing. You know, we got the sky judge, we're trying to fix everything. Big miss was going to give it the first down. They do get the field goal. Makes a move. Arizona's leading receiver out to the 43 with his 8 catch to the right. And again, 17. I tell you, we're watching two great performances tonight. One, obviously, James Conner and what he is doing for this Arizona offense. The other, Cooper Kupp now, 13 receptions, 4 of them on third downs for conversions and a touchdown. Just monster games from those two primetime.
Excel plugs. Here's why I went double roller. I got a 620 lift cam, I think it is. I think so. And the springs. So I thought it might be a good idea to go roller. Like I said, you just gotta make sure you use your. If you don't put these on before you put your oil pump on, you're gonna be in some trouble. That's it.